First of all, thank you, ma'am. Welcome to my presentation. My name is MD Alim Hussain. Today's my presentation topic is on an ideal pharmaceutical plan, layout, and feature. And now I tell you about the introduction. Once we have decided on where to locate our pharmaceutical company, the next important things we need to do this plan to sub-detail layout for our pharmaceutical plan. While designing a pharmaceutical plan, we need to understand and follow the basic regulatory requirement for the construction of a pharmaceutical plan. What is the pharmaceutical plant layout? Pharmaceutical plant layout refers to a collection of space and the arrangements of machines, furniture, and other important administration and necessary services needed in a production process within a factory building. In order to perform the various unit operation involved in the manufacturing process of doses from in a cost effective manner and with the last amount of holding in processing the product from the receipt of raw material through the distribution of a finished product. Some important feature and warehouse unit, RMP, GFG unit, tablet processing unit, tablet compression unit, tablet coating unit, capsule section unit, blister packaging unit, liquid and APFC section. Why feature of a good pharmaceutical plant layout is needed. The machines should be properly arranged to facilitate minimal material in holding is necessary for a low cost process. The layout should facilitate smooth and continuous flow of production process from the one point to another without any form of delay. There should be room for adjustment and modification whenever the need arises. That's all my presentation. Thank you, ma'am.